Assalamualaikum. My name is Shizak Ramat and my father name is Ramat Patel. I am a student of CNC Machine Operator under the course of Skill Summer Camp at Institute of Surgical Technology, and also I am doing Bachelor in Zoology at Murray College. At Murray College, the awareness session was held and I attended the seminar, and after that I took admission here. I'm learning here new things and gain new experiences. CNC Machine Operator, there is a huge opportunity for career growth, and this course is the platform for me to enhance my career. And I think after doing that course, I'm able to do programming, designing and operate CNC machine as well. At last, I want to thank again Secretary Industry, Chairperson of TEVTA, Ehsan Butasa, for organizing such courses. Thank you.